Hi everyone, this is Aleli, the creator of Think Simple Craft. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a DIY envelopes using recycled bond papers or used bond papers. We will be making a bill size envelope or a 9 by 4 inch size. To begin with, get a pattern and trace it on the used bond papers. Then, cut the excess papers as it's shown in the video. Once it's done, on the other side of the paper, just fold it at least a 1/4 inch. Then put a paper glue on it. Bring on the other side of the paper and stick it on the glued side of the paper, as it's shown in the video. Do the same on the other side of the paper. Just repeat the procedures to the remaining used bond papers. By the way, crafters, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you will be notified every time I'll post new video. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button because your simple like is really a great help for my channel to grow. And if you have any suggestions or opinions regarding this video or for my future DIYs, please don't forget to leave your comment down below. I would really appreciate if you have one. Thank you so much for watching. See ya!